In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split Amazon purchases across multiple credit cards. Managing budgets or using different payment methods efficiently can sometimes be a challenge. Luckily, Amazon gives you options to tailor your transactions to your needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to split payments, making shopping and budget management much easier. Let's get started on Amazon's website. If you're not signed in, click Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password and sign in. Once logged in, browse or use the search bar to find the items you want to purchase. Click on an item to view its details, then hit Add to Cart. You can continue shopping to add more items or proceed directly to checkout. Next, click on your cart in the top right corner and select Proceed to Checkout. Make sure your delivery address is correct so your items reach you without any issues. Now comes the key part. Splitting your payment. Choose credit or debit cards, and you can add multiple payment methods. Decide how much you want to charge on each card. This is perfect if you're sharing the cost with someone else or managing funds across different accounts. If you have an Amazon gift card, enter the code in the field provided and click Apply. The gift card amount will be deducted before any card payments are processed. Finally, review your order summary to make sure everything looks correct. When satisfied, proceed with the checkout. You'll see an order confirmation page and also receive an email with all the details of your transaction. And there you have it, a seamless way to split purchases on Amazon using multiple credit cards. This method gives you flexibility, helping you manage finances or share costs with ease. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.